much well, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, I realized one thing clearly yesterday, that if we trade on gold too much, soon we will be high blood pressure patients. Because gold made a high of 2432, and in the just few hours, 4 to 5 hours, gold gave us a move of 1000 pips. Gold almost came to 2332 and ultimately closed at 2344, 2345 area. So one thing is very much clear, that gold is not for everyone. So let's get started. So yesterday we also got to see good amount of upside on DXY, but the credit doesn't go to DXY. Okay, the goal is doing everything solo. Okay, but as a forex trader, it is important to know what is going on in DXY. So dollar index is bullish right now. You can see dollar index made a high of 106.10 and ultimately settled around 106 level. So in my previous videos we discussed that if DXY wants to continue the upside, it needs to cross 105, and yes, it is trading above 105 level. The next resistance of DXY is 107 level, the yellow line here you can see on the screen. And on Monday, if it comes down, it will be just coming down for retracement. Nothing much to talk about because the correlation is not valid at this moment right now. So if you love to trade on gold, then only focus on the chart of gold only, not the DXY. And let's look at the market sentiment. Gold retreats, falls back below 2400 despite heightened geopolitical risk and a drop in treasury yields. Gold moved back under 2400, trading lower by mid-afternoon on Friday after earlier rising above the mark for the first time. Supported by worries Iran is readying an attack on Israel and falling treasury yields. If you want to read this article in detail, I'll paste the link in the description box so that you can read in detail. Actually, the thing is, see, traders around the world, millions of traders around the world were waiting, or we were waiting for the retracement or any sign of retracement. So whenever people got the retracement, they just sold gold. They just sold gold. Maybe a big guy or institution, tried to hold the market or took a sell somewhere around here, and after that a party started by the millions of retail traders around the world. If you know how does the market work, then you must be knowing that whenever see, we know that institutions drive the market, but institutions do not drive the market from here till here. They just ignite it. They just start the process, and the rest of the process is taken care of by the liquidity of the market or by traders like us. So maybe they just took a sell here, and after that a big party started. Maybe. Right now the problem is that nobody knows what will happen to gold. For the last couple of days, weeks, we knew it very well that gold is bullish. So buying at retracement or buy at breakout was the best trading strategy for us. And yesterday also we followed the same strategy when gold broke 2400. But right now gold broke the previous low here. So previously, what was the structure of the market? The structure of the market was higher highs and higher lows. But what is the structure of the market now? The structure of the market is no longer higher highs and higher lows. We can clearly see gold broke the previous low. So gold has formed a lower low right now. And to continue the downside, we need a lower high. So in simple words, the next high of gold is going to be very, very important. If gold wants to continue the upside, it will have to cross 2432, the high made by the gold yesterday or on Friday. And if it fails to do so, and if it forms a high on 2370, 2350, doesn't matter. It will be a lower high. And after forming a lower high, if gold comes down, there is a big possibility that in the coming days or by coming week, we will get to see a trend reversal on gold. So things are going to be really, really interesting. That is first possibility, that gold will form a lower high and we will get to see a trend reversal. And the second possibility on gold is we will get to see a sideways market or choppy market, because gold has shown extreme bullishness for the last couple of days and weeks, and maybe in the next few days and weeks we will get to see a market like this. So right now, it is very difficult for all of us to tell what will be happening to gold. So let's wait and watch. Time will speak. And as I always say, my dear friends, okay, we cannot predict the market. Nobody can predict the market. So instead of trying to predict the market, okay, let's try to react according to the market situations. And to react according to the market situations, we need levels. So let's discuss the levels one by one. My dear friends, a couple of days ago, we spoke about the forex broking industry, my frustration regarding the forex brokers, and I also mentioned that soon I will be coming up with my own solution, and the solution is 7 Street Corporation. The website was under development, so I could not disclose the name that time. So, my dear friends, this is a Dubai-based broker. It's our broker. It's a relatively new broker, so you may not find reviews online. But trust me, guys, this broker will provide you the transparency and the service you guys deserve. We are traders, so we know what a trader wants, and transparency, honesty are the two things that you will be getting in 7th Street Corporation. We're providing a leverage of 1 is to 100. Support is available 24 into 5, and it's an FSC licensed broker. I always focus on license regulation. So you can see we have the license from FSC, so nothing to worry about the safety. And you will find all the information on the website. 7th Street Corporation was into B2B earlier, so to provide good service to the clients B2C, so the minimum deposit is $1,000. So if you're a serious trader, you can definitely opt for 7th Street Corporation. Hopefully you will like it. To open account, just go to my website. The link will be in the description. Okay, you can see one thing I have clearly mentioned, there is no B book. If you have been trading, you must be knowing that how brokers manipulate the market. Okay, so in 7th Street Corporation there is no B book. Okay, at any point you can ask the broker that show me the trade. Okay, the broker will show you how the trade was executed through the liquidity provider. And I don't think so any broker provides you that kind of transparency, and there is no commission. And but sadly, okay, sadly we won't be able to accept clients from all the countries. You can see United States, sorry, Cuba, India, Iraq, Myanmar, North Korea, Sudan, and Iran. Due to legal issues, we won't be able to accept clients from India at this moment. If you are a trader from India, you must know that there are some deposit and withdrawal issues. So there are lots of legal complications. But if you go to my website, you will see that I have mentioned one more broker named Voco Capitals. Okay, this is not my broker house, but this company has been formed by one of my friend. This is also a regulated broker. Okay, their website is under development. Okay, so you can also check out later. But if you already have account in XM, XNIS, Okta, or any other regulated broker, and if you are not finding any problems, then obviously you can continue. No need to switch your broker. But if you're looking for a reliable solution, transparent solution, then yes, 7th Street can definitely be the solution for you. Initially, you can just give a try. Okay, if you're happy, then you can continue. Okay, let's discuss about the levels now. So as we just discussed, that there are two possibilities. Possibility number one is that we may get to see a trend reversal on gold. If we see a trend reversal on gold, then gold will be forming lower highs. And the second possibility is we may get to see a sideways or a choppy market. So the market opening is going to be very, very important, because market was extremely volatile on Friday. Okay, so if market opens with the same volatility and same selling pressure, then we may get to see further downside, because if you look at the chart of gold carefully, then we can also see a bearish flag. Okay, so my dear friends, right after the market opening, if you see the same intensity and if you see gold going down, gold crossing 2332, you can look for a sell. No level will work, you will be just seeing gold going down. So market opening is going to be very, very crucial for gold. But usually Monday markets are slow market. We don't get to see much volatility during the first half. So if you see that after the market opening, gold is forming small candles, means the volatility is less, volume is less. If there is less volume in the market, so you can expect that okay, finally gold is trying to take support. In that case, as a day trader, you can hit the buy button around 2323. Around 2323 we have the 200 moving average as well as the previous support. So if market takes support around this area, you can look for a buy position. And the second buy position on gold is around 2291. Okay. 2291 to 2286. This is the second support, or let's make it 85. Okay, this is the second support, the blue box. How we have derived? Let me show you. See, we have used FIBO here. Okay. You can see around 2323. Okay, we also have the FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and around 2291 we have FIBO 50% retracement level. So these are the two levels where you can expect the market to bounce. But we also should remember that between these two levels we also have 2300. Okay, 2300 is another support around this area. So if the market's volatility is not very high, you can definitely expect the market to bounce from here. So again, I'm repeating, keep in mind, there is support. That doesn't mean that market will have to bounce. No level is permanent in the market. So market sentiment is above all. Volume of the market plays a very important role. So if you see the right after market opening, market is going down, then okay, you can look for a sell below 2332. If you already have a sell, you can continue. But if you're looking for fresh trading opportunities, and if you see that right after the market opening, market is slow, market is forming small candles, it means that market will be taking support. And as a day trader, you can look for a buy around 2323, then 2300, 2291 to 85. So 85. So these are the three support levels where you can expect the market to bounce on Monday if the selling pressure of the market reduces. But do not forget, we can clearly see a bearish flag on the chart as well. So market opening is going to decide. Okay, so if this thing happens, we will see a trend reversal completely. Okay. And on the other hand, right after the market opening, if you see gold going up, okay, gold going up due to the previous selling pressure, okay, previous selling pressure, you can also look for a sell. Where you can look for a sell? We have three levels here. The level of 2383 seems to be reliable one. Why reliable? Okay, among these three, because we have FIBO 50 as well as you can see we have price action. So previous support acting as resistance. So right after the market opening, if gold goes up, as a day trader, keep in mind, as a day trader, okay, you can look for a sell around 2383 if market reverses. But below 2383, we also have a sell level around 2371 as well. Okay, 2357 is also there. 2357 is the immediate level. Right after the market opening, if market acts crazy, 2357 is not going to work. So if market reverses from 2371 to 2383, you can hit the sell button as a day trader only. Okay, so till Friday, okay, I was saying that this was not a day traders market. You should sit on a position. Okay, but right now we can clearly see things have changed. Okay, things have changed because of the heavy selling pressure. So we need to pause a little just to understand, okay, in which direction the market is moving next. So as a result, okay, we need to act according to the situation. So if market, again I'm repeating, if you see heavy selling pressure, okay, try to go with the trend of the market. You can look for a sell below 2332. But if you see market is slow but still going down, you can look for a buy around support. On the other hand, if you see gold going up and with small candles, it means that it is a temporary recovery. In that case, you can look for a sell around these areas. And as gold has already formed a lower low, so we are expecting the gold to form a lower high. That's why we are looking for a sell at resistance. Clear? And rest of the thing, God knows, okay, what will happen. Have a lovely weekend, my dear friends. Let's wait for the market to open. Okay, stop banging your head over gold too much because okay, it is very difficult to drill right now. Not only you are finding it difficult. Okay, I am also finding it difficult. Okay, if someone is not finding it difficult, then it must be the Telegram gurus. Okay, stay away from them. Okay, have a lovely weekend. Enjoy the time with your friends and family. Bye bye. Take care.